How to fix POF account login problem. So let's get started. First of all, when you open up POF.com in your device and to log in, navigate to top right corner and then click on sign in. Then you will get into sign in page. Now to log in, first of all, you have to enter your username or email associated with your account, and under that enter your password. Now if you click on login button, but if you are not able to log in, that means you have either entered the incorrect username or incorrect password. So make sure you type in the correct login credentials and then click on login. But if that still doesn't help you to log in, and if you have forgotten your account, that is your password, you can have this link that says forgot your password. Click on it, follow some screen instructions, and then you will be able to recover your password. Now with that new password, try to log in back to POF again. And if that still doesn't help you, then that might be because the plenty of fish might not be available in the country or region where you live. POF is restricted to some of the country, so make sure that you are in the country where POF is available or is unrestricted. And if that's your case, then you can use the VPN connection to use plenty of fish. You can connect to different country server through VPN and then use plenty of fish. And if that still doesn't help you, then what you can do is reset the settings of this browser. For that, navigate to top right corner and then click on this three dot. From this drop down box, click on settings. Now once you get into settings page, navigate to your left hand side and there you will have this option as reset settings. Click on it. After that, click on this play button, and once the settings of your browser is reset, now you should be able to log in back to your POF account or plenty of fish account. So that's how you can fix login problem in your POF account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.